All right, people. Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. It's Mr. Adam again. Alhamdulillah. We are in this video yet again. And today we're going to be learning about the newest sixth grade English book. All right, let's begin. Okay, so basically, this is actually page number 8 and page number 8. But we need to do is basically write things that are on this picture right here. Okay, so number one, you can see this is an animal. You know what animal is it? Yeah, it's a bear. Of course, it's a bear. Yeah, it's a bear. And then, in Indonesian, this thing is called center, but in English is you're my flashlight, light, light. You're my flashlight, light. Oh, I got all I need when I get you. Ooh, na, na, na. I mean, like, it's a flashlight, of course. Flashlight. All right, man. It's a flashlight. And number three is wait a second. Where's number three? I don't see number three. Three. Can you see number three? Can you see number three? One, two, three. One, two, three. Where is it? I can't find it, man. Oh, right here. Is it a tree? Hold on, man. I think it's a tree, man. I think it's a tree. Let's check it first. It's actually. Oh yeah, it's a tree. Okay. Thank you very much. So number three is a tree. Okay. And let's moving on to number four. Oh my god. Hold on a minute. All right, number four you can see right here is it's a street. Yeah, a street. Of course, it's a street. It's a street right here. And then number five, it's which one's number five? Oh, a 10. It's a 10. 10. All right, it's a 10. It's a 10. And number six, it is a firework, or you can also say fireworks. And number seven is actually, hold on, let me guess. A bag. Yeah, of course, it's a bag. It's a bag. It's a bag. Okay. And number eight, are those ants or bees? I cannot see it clear. Can you give me some opinions because I don't know if is it a bee or an ant, but it looks like it's an ant, like Ant Man, like in the Avengers. Okay, so it's an ant. Okay, so you got a bear. Great. So you got a bear, flashlight, a lot of it, a flashlight. You got a tree. You got a street, tent, fireworks, bag, and you got ants. Okay, ants because you can see that there are more than one ant. All right, I think that's all for the video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for my students and my friends, of course, in the Islamic Elementary School of Arhma. Hope you enjoy this explanation for our new English book, which is Rise Up. All right, thank you very much. Hope you guys. Um, I'm really miss you guys. So I hope I can see you again next week or maybe on Friday. So yeah, barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.